Give your child the boost they need with one of today's top 5 kids step stools. After researching the market, we purchased the most popular and well-loved kids step stools for hands-on testing to determine which are excellent, which are suitable for certain situations, and which to pass on. There are many products available to choose step stools for kids, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best step stools for kids from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. iLove 2 Step Stool for Kids and Toddlers. It's not hard to love the iLove Step Stool. Honestly, we think this option is handy to have around the home. It is supportive, figuratively and literally, boosting your little one to new heights, so they can practice newfound independence or desire to do it. It is very lightweight, and tots have no problem lifting and moving it. The dual height design is versatile and can reach higher heights or accommodate siblings of different sizes, such as an older child who may only need a little boost. The stool sports non-slip material on the steps, reducing the possibility of slips and falls, and the base has anti-skid material with decent traction. The iLove flexes as weight increases and returns to form after weight lifts, protecting against cracking under heavy weight or drops. We couldn't identify any significant drawbacks with this option. Overall, we think it is suitable for most needs. However, if pressured to pinpoint a flaw, we would say the iLove's performance while testing the probability of skidding is adequate, yet not rock solid like some contenders. It slid slowly under pressure and not quickly. We recommend this product for families looking for a lightweight 2-level stool with anti-skid and non-slip properties. We think the iLove will give your child the boost they need wherever you plan to use this option. Positive side of this product: lightweight and easy to carry. Dual height. Negative side of this product: adequate anti-skid performance. Number 2. Wood City Wooden Toddler Step Stool for Kids. The Wood City Step Stool stands out in the competition for multiple reasons. It is one of the tallest and offers sturdiness, durability, and impressive anti-skid ability. This dual-height wooden stool uses non-toxic varnish, and the product's smooth surface is easy to wipe down, a perk because step stools will likely build up grime and dirt from little feet, and even potty training will result in more than a few drops here and there. When it comes to anti-skid ability, the Wood City is a top performer, and attributing factors to this impressive feat are the product's weight and the surface area of its anti-skid pads underneath. You can worry less about little feet falling through with no gap between the steps. This product requires assembly, but the task is quick and easy. Between its weight limit of 200 pounds and material, we think the Wood City offers longevity, and will likely be around to help you and your child reach tall bookshelves, kitchen cabinets, and closet spaces over time. We want to clarify that this product does not offer slip-resistant material on the steps where feet stand. Therefore, we worry about children wearing socks without grips or water droplets from hand washing or teeth brushing, creating a slippery surface. The Wood City is also heavier than plastic contenders in this review, weighing 5.5 pounds, and may take some muscle to move for toddlers. But, if you can overlook these drawbacks and have your sights set on a durable product with powerful anti-skid ability, we think this option may meet your needs. Positive side of this product: sturdy dual height. Impressive anti-skid ability. No gap between the steps. Non-toxic varnish. Negative side of this product: no slip-resistant material. Slightly heavy for toddlers. Number 3. Bumbo Step Stool Black. The Bumbo Step Stool is budget-friendly, stable, and slightly taller than the one-level stools in our review. Toddlers can easily move it around the home, and its contour design fits snugly against the toilet base. Its ability to not skid on hard flooring is noteworthy and better than other contenders. It also features a somewhat tacky non-slip surface that keeps little feet from slipping, whether your child is wearing socks or barefoot. This one-level stool should be enough to get on and off the toilet. Plus, it is easy to clean, an essential factor when toilet training your little one. Depending on your child's height, this one-level stool may be too short to reach the sink's faucet. But, this may not be a deal-breaker since adults are likely there to supervise. We recommend this product for families who want an economical, incredibly stable one-level stool. Positive side of this product: great stability. Lightweight. Contour design. Negative side of this product: one level. Maybe too short for the faucet. Number 4. SIMPLAY3 Sibling Step Stool. Sharing a stool can be a source of conflict for most siblings. Thankfully, the SIMPLAY3 Sibling Step Stool brings peace and order. This product allows both children to stand on this sturdy stool together. The SIMPLAY3 will accommodate children of similar or different heights in a two-sided design. On one side, it combines an elevated step and a low step. Flip it over, and it becomes a long, same-level step. This stool is plastic and does not feature slip-resistant rubber. Instead, it has a textured surface. With a weight limit of 300 pounds, use this stool as a flat bench for parents next to the tub, a bonus perk. The Simplay3 is bulky and long, but it can stand vertically or on its side when not in use, which is somewhat space-saving. Still, we wonder if families with small bathrooms will eventually find the repetitious task of moving this stool a bother. The steps of the Simplay3 do not have non-slip material, and instead feature texture for added grip, which is better than none. Compared to other contenders, this option may be considered a decor eyesore. But do not let appearance cloud your judgment. It works. Who wouldn't want to sacrifice decor for sibling peace and sanity? So, if you have children who quarrel over the step stool and have extra space in your bathroom, look no further. We highly recommend the Simplay3. Positive side of this product. Two-side design. Very durable. Flat bench for parents. Negative side of this product. Bulky and long. Decor eyesore. Number 5. HandyLaundry Step Stool. The HandyLaundry Step Stool is foldable, portable, and best for families with small bathrooms or kitchens. It features a carry handle, and its flip-open design makes it easy to use. This stool is nearly 9, slightly more than other one-level products in our review. It has a slip-resistant dot surface to prevent feet from slipping, plus the anti-skid pads on the feet are adequate. When not in use, fold this stool and store it behind a door or under the sink, keeping the floor free of obstacles. There is a higher chance of pinching or trapping little fingers with a foldable stool. Ouch. Older children may have more finger placement awareness than younger toddlers, but we suggest adult supervision until mastery. We recommend this foldable option to families with limited space despite this drawback. Positive side of this product. Foldable. Portable. Lightweight. Negative side of this product. May pinch fingers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.